Sophia's is just a little not smart because there is a way to get up here. The hospital. Flickering lights. Seems a bit empty. A dead body. Hospital bed. Whoa! You! Get out! Get out of here! Wait a minute. Stop. What do you mean stop? What's wrong with you? Sophia, stop playing games. Stop playing games, Sophia. What do you mean stop? Get up before I tase you. You are hurting me. Yeah, you over here took over the city. You think I'm not gonna hurt you? Yes, you. You shapeshifted into Glitch, bro. No time for dumbs. Alright, let's end you once and for all. Oh, oop, I missed. I'm Glitch. Prove it to me. How did I meet you? Who was I with? How did I meet you? Mystery in another dimension. Okay, it's you. Come on. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry, I've been alone for a couple of weeks. My guard has been up. What the heck, man? I'm sorry, bro. Ow! Why me? Oh, yep, you're Zolphius. Back up. Glitch, there's no time for dancing. This is a serious time. I'm by myself. I don't know what to do. But I have been watching over for the past couple of weeks. They have a military base now. I know their schedules on patrolling with the other agents and the villains. They're guard specifically at... Well, the stuff is behind the stuff is under the castle. Yeah. My goal is to blow up that military base. That's the mission for today. No one there. Weapons. I get that, but I know their schedule. It'll be at like gold. What does gold have to do with anything? You don't know? Yeah, I don't know. Hello. Glitch. It's what? Zolphius' weakness. We need to find those gold bullets. Come on. At exactly 7 a.m. I know, under the castle. At exactly 7 a.m. it'll be heavily guarded. But we're gonna need a car. Do you think you can sneak in there? Just to keep it like a low cover. Clear out the area for me. Cause in 5 seconds, the Watcher and his minions get to leave out the military, and they're gonna start patrolling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, they're out. Also, they figured me out. Oh, great. What about Captain? Did they figure him out? All right. Let's head up here. Or, we could take a ladder. That's actually pretty smart. Helicopter? No helicopter? Okay. We'll just go on foot then. Wait. Too obvious. Alright. Alright, while them are on patrol. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get down, get down. Dang, they move fast. Under the castle? No. Glitch. You take out the Watcher's minion. I'll distract the Watcher. Hey guys. Sup, Watcher dudes. We're to take you out. Okay, so you see what had happened was... Whoa, watch out! Take cover! Whoa! Whoa! The minion's down. Let's roll, let's roll. Watch out! Take cover! Glitch. Ugh. We can't go under the couch. Glitch knows where we meet up at. He should be here. Glitch, if you can hear me on comms, come to the barn. Whoa. And how are they coming here? How did y'all...
JR.
Yeah.
Nah.
Nah.
Your friend needs you.
Nah. Which one?
Glitch.
I will follow y'all. If this is some trap, I will, and I mean, I will end y'all. What did you do?
We didn't do anything. We found him like this.
Step out the car.
No.
Step out the car.
Fine.
Hey! Go get Jay. What? What? Are you okay? Glitch. No. Glitch! Glitch. Glitch, no. No, you won't, bro. You're not in your own universe. You get healed back if you go back there. Hey! Bro. Get out of here. Glitch, you're the only person I have. Go get who? Don't worry. I won't let you down. I gotta find Captain, too.
But no, that's around.
Debatable.
Oh.
Thanks for pushing me in my car. Yeah, I'm gonna run him over with a car again. Simple as that. Tell him to get this gun out of my face before I electrocute his eyes out.
You can't do anything. You're stuck there.
That don't mean my powers don't work.
No, be careful of your little friend named Bolt. Alright, you get 5 seconds to run. Unclamp. 5, 4, 3. Oh, dang, this dude doesn't want to run. 2.
Ah! out. I'm out. I'm out.
Franklin.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Huh, huh. Peace out, my dick. Oh, what did you do? What did y'all do to my car?
I have my.
Y'all fragged my car.
Hey.
Good luck with shooting.
Bolt, wanna see something cool? Bolt, wanna see something cool?
What? I'm ready for anything. Holy God. Glitch was right. You can copy powers. Tell your minions to back up before I punch their eyes out of them.
Bro, these aren't part of us.
Okay, I'll punch your actual eyes. Especially that one. That one's about my height. Ah.
No run, blah, blah, blah.
Seems like Glitch is alive.
If you want to. Go get him.
Glitch moved out of his spot. Roll! And you gotta be kidding me. Oh, yeah, let's go.
He jumped out. Let's try and get him back. Give me one. Can I have one? Oh.
What was our most fun adventures? I don't know. I don't normally have. Okay, that sounds like Tristan, but I'm not getting you out. I don't trust you, Watcher. Even though that is Tristan, sorry. Can't take any chances. Glitch. Their castle's been exploded. Their bases have been... Oh, dang. Also, stop making me take care of these Watchers. When you attack Zolfius with gold... With the gold... Oh, yeah, I got the gold bullets. Stop chasing for him. It's not blown up. What do you mean? I blew it up with the missiles. Look at it. We got company. We gotta move. Get out. Ow. Chill out. You and these swords. You do realize swords don't work against this suit. Glitch, help! Man, if you don't get your... Oh, a bomb! Watch out! Take cover! Ah! Glitch! Glitch, you can't run fast! Oh, wow. You can teleport now? How are y'all always finding us? Can you, like, leave me alone for a sec? It's Zolfius. Where? Yo, this thing's about to... rig in 20 seconds. 18, 17. It's Zolfius' castle. Oh. We gotta move! Glitch! Move! It's fake. I mean, y'all are some fake watchers, bro. Hee hee hee. Alright, go away now. Go away. Go away. Go. Move around. Move around. Go away. Leave me alone. I just said leave me alone. Oh, ow. How did you... Oh. Oh, this feels cool. I still have some access. Good. Glitch. The explosion didn't work. I don't know how. What is that castle made out of? Is there like a force field around it? Things are getting harder and harder every day. What? They're coming in. Oh, they can't get in. Ah. Just in case, let me have my sword out. If it belongs to Sophia. You're right. In order to get these gold bullets to Zolphius, I'm gonna have to take down his army little by little. Glitch, I gotta tell you something in here. Teleport us back to my base. Alright. I still got access. Alright. Glitch, starting tomorrow, we're going to seize to explode a boat.